Hello guys, how are you? Here is another video posted for you who are in agony who has a ZAFIRA, which from the year 2005, okay? You who are agonized by the expression in the light that appears on the panel are worried there, knowing if it is some defect, something, but do not worry. This is just a configuration, or you can get it manually, or if you prefer, some workshop technical assistance, okay? But today I'm making this video here for you who don't want to waste any time, want to do it manually. The procedure is very easy, okay? Check it out with me. You'll have to turn off the car's ignition, correct? As you can see in the video. Now, you will have to press the panel button and turn on the ignition with the button activated, correct? And you'll wait for the setting to be reset manually, okay? And you'll see that the light will go out. You're going to set it up, okay? The maintenance light, and you will see that it will go out by itself. Then you can start the car and you'll see that it's going to be erased already, okay? Well, this video is